Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI tools platform, which is STATA. So to get started, STATA in 2025 remain a trusted tool for researchers, economists, and data analysts who need serious statistical power without handling everything from scratch. The newest update adds machine learning, integrations via H2O, enhanced causal inference tools like conditional treatment effect, improved high dimensional fixed effect, and upgraded graphing options like heat maps and confidence interval plot. Its two-file scripting ensure reproducible analysis, and the interface is published enough with many academics and public health teams still rely on it daily for panel data survey and advanced economic tricks. On the downside, STATA is still expensive with a licensing cost that can be hard to justify for casual user or students, and its closed ecosystems feel limited compared to Python or R. Some find the syntax dated and less flexible for huge dataset or cutting-edge workflow. And here's overall in conclusion about this platform. STATA is worth the hype in 2025 if you are in a research or social science and want a reliable built-in statistical depth. Just be prepared for the cost and a learning curve. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.